Namaskar dosto, welcome back to my channel. This is yet another episode on my channel where I am teaching spoken English, basic everyday English tips to help you improve your spoken English, help you overcome the fear of spoken English. जिंदगी में आगे बढ़िए, speak English confidently और अपने life और career में आगे बढ़िए. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. This is a very fun and interesting video where I am going to teach you some basic English words or phrases which you can use basically to sound more native, to sound more advanced in your conversational English, in your communicative English. So here are 10 of those words which you can use to sound more advanced or native in your conversations with friends or colleagues. Gonna. So instead of saying going to, you can say I'm going to go and watch a movie. Instead of saying I'm going to go and watch a movie, you can say I'm going to go and watch a movie. So gonna is used instead of going to. So it's a fast English native word which you can use gonna instead of going to. Similarly, wanna, which is used in place of want to. I want a glass of water. I want to have a glass of water. I want to play football. I want to play football. I want to go and watch a movie. I want to go and watch a movie. Kinda, which you can use in place of kind of. To put this into example, let me say, I kinda like the pandal, which is basically what I'm trying to say is, I kind of like the pandal. So I'm saying, I kind of like the Durga Puja pandal. I kind of like her. I kind of like her. Rohit kind of likes Shilpa. Rohit kind of likes Shilpa. So instead of saying kind of, you can say kinda. Another very similar word to kinda is sorta, or which is basically used for sort of. So kinda, sorta, very similar to each other. So put this into practice, you can say, I sort of like going to the market during Durga Puja. I sort of like going to the market during Durga Puja. So I'm not saying sort of, I'm saying sorta. Lemme, which is basically saying let me, means allow me. I often use this word lemme. It's very fast and interesting. So put this into practice. I would say, let me drive the car, which is basically I'm saying let me drive the car. So I'm going to say let me drive the car for you. Another example of this phrase is instead of saying let me help you with the work in kitchen, let me help you with the work in the kitchen. Let me help you with the work in the kitchen. Let me lift the bag for you. Let me lift the bag for you. That's the most basic one, and the advanced or native one would be let me lift the bag for you. Another very similar word to let me is gimme, give me. It is used in place of give me. So how do you use this in a sentence? This is how you can use a gimme in a sentence in your everyday conversation. So you can say, can you give me your book for a day? So I'm saying, can you give me your book for a day? So the advanced word or phrase is gimme. Can you give me, instead of saying can you give me, you can say, can you give me your book for a day? Can you give me your bat to play? Can you give me your bat to play? The advanced word or phrase is gimme. Can you give me your bat to play? Another word which I often use in my English conversations with friends or colleagues or even in family is gotta. So the word gotta or a phrase gotta is used for got to. So to put this into practice, you can say, I got to go to the clinic. I got to go. I got to go. I got to go. I got to go to the clinic. I got to go to the market. I got to go to the coaching center. I got to go and buy some stuff for the household. I got to go and study. So instead of saying I got to go, you can say I got to go and study. I got to go and buy some stuff. I got to go to the market right now. I got to go to the clinic. I gotta go to somewhere. I gotta go to somewhere. So that's how you can use the phrase gotta. Another very commonly used phrase in this context is don't I don't know. I don't know. So we were saying I don't know. I don't know. Instead of saying I don't know, you can say I don't know. I don't know who did it. I don't know who have done this. I don't know who have seen this. I don't know who has done this. The ninth phrase which I'm going to talk about in this video is shoulda. So it's used in place of should have. You see how fast it becomes when you are combining this phrase. It's called shoulda instead of should have. So use this word in your everyday conversation. So I'll give you a few examples. You should have gone there. You should have helped him. You should have helped him with the household chores. You should have been there. You should have helped him. So you should have. I should have gone there. I should have helped her. So instead of saying I should have gone there, I should have helped her, I'm saying I should have gone there, I should have helped her. Another but very useful phrase here, and in this context the last English phrase of this particular video is woulda instead of would have. Woulda instead of would have. I woulda. So you can say, to put this into practice, it would have been nice if I would have been there. It would have been nice if I would have been there. So I'm not saying it would have been nice if I would have been there. So I'm saying it would have been nice if I would have been there. So you see the subtle difference while you are using these phrases instead of the commonly used English phrase would have, woulda, gotta, got to, shoulda, should have, gimme, give me, lemme, let me. So friends, use these English phrases in your daily communication English and conversation English, wherever you are, in your workplace, studies, universities, college, and improve your communication English. Use this word to sound more native, to sound more advanced. So overcome your fear of spoken English with my channel. Help me to help you with your spoken English. Follow me for more. Do hype this video, leave a comment, and share this video with more and more friends. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.